Welcome to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you some very delicious and amazing sweet tamales of Nutella. Yes, sweet tamales with Nutella that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have milk, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, baking powder, granulated sugar, vanilla, of course, Nutella, rice flour, some papers to wrap our tamales, and corn husks. This is everything we need to make these delicious and amazing sweet tamales of Nutella. You know something? The cold weather is here, the holidays are here. Let's impress our families with these delicious Nutella tamales. So let's get started.
I am going to start with my corn husks. I am going to add them here in this warm water and let them hydrate. This is the first step. You want to leave them here and let them hydrate so when you're ready to use them. I have my rice flour, which I'm going to add my baking powder, my all-purpose flour, my granulated sugar, and I am going to sift it. The reason that I'm sifting it is so that the tamales come out really soft and spongy. You see those little balls? We're going to dissolve them, and then all my dry ingredients are ready. I am going to put them aside, and I'm going to continue with my unsalted butter, which I'm going to go ahead and put aside. This is what I'm going to use. Of course, you could do it by hand. Here I have my 5 eggs, and now I am ready to cream the butter. The butter is yellow, but once you cream it for a couple minutes, it's going to turn into a very light yellow. Once this is done, I'm going to add my dry ingredients just like this. I'm going to start mixing it slowly for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm ready to start adding the eggs one at a time until they incorporate completely with the dry ingredients. Once this is done, I'm adding my vanilla extract, the milk, a little bit at a time until I'm completely done. Once this is done, you're going to mix it for about 5 to 6 minutes. But remember to clean your bowl, making sure that all that butter and everything really incorporates into the tamal dough. Once this is done, we are going to make the teaspoon test. You're going to be thinking, what test is Gloria making? I'm going to get a teaspoon of the masa, and let me show you what I'm going to do. This is the test. This is how you know when your masa is ready to prepare your delicious sweet or salted tamales. Well, here I have a glass of water. I'm going to pour the teaspoon in there. If it floats up, that means that the masa is ready for you to prepare your delicious tamales. If the dough goes to the bottom and stays in the bottom, you need to continue mixing for about 3 to 4 more minutes. Look at this. Now this is completely done, and I am ready to start making this delicious and amazing Nutella tamal. Be very generous with your Nutella. I am going to just start getting my corn husks. You know that one side is nice and smooth and the other is kind of rough. Well, you're going to add the masa to the smooth side. I'm going to go ahead, add the masa in here. These sweet tamales are not difficult to make. I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of the Nutella mixture, And then I'm going to add one more right on the top to making sure that the Nutella stays right in the center of that tamal and it doesn't spread out, just like this. And then we're gonna just cover it, and look at this. This is done. Let me make one more so that you see how easy you could make your Nutella tamal. I have some parchment paper that is already pre-cut, and I'm just gonna fold it and leave it just like this. The reason that I use the paper is so that nothing comes out while it is cooking. Look, add your Nutella inside, and then you're going to wrap every single one. With this mixture, you're going to get about 20 tamales. And I'm sure that everyone at home is going to love it. It's not overpowering, it's not too sugary, it's just perfection made in a tamal. And who doesn't like Nutella? Here at home, my kids love these tamales, and I do too. And now I am ready to just fold it in here, and let me continue making the rest of the tamales. Here I am done, and I am ready to add them to my steamer. Look at this. I have water on the bottom. I'm going to add this on the top, and then I'm ready to start putting all my tamales in here. And of course, my home is going to get really nice and warm. They're going to cook for about 60 minutes. You're going to put a kitchen towel, and then you're going to add a plastic bag right on the top of the kitchen towel before you start cooking it. Look at this. We're going to cover it, let it cook for 60 minutes, no more than 60 minutes. After the 60 minutes, I am ready to reveal and to enjoy these delicious Nutella tamales. Let's see how they came out. They're still nice and hot. Once you start peeling away the corn husk, you're going to see that the tamal really pulls away from the corn husk. If it stays sticking a little bit, that's okay. It's because they are still nice and hot. They look amazing. I can't wait to enjoy it. I can't wait. My kids are already enjoying them. They got one from the big pan, and they are already enjoying it with the glass of milk. Look at this. I am ready to show you how they look from the inside. You could really see the Nutella trying to come out of the tamal. My mouth is already watering, but I need to show you how I'm going to decorate them. I'm going to add a little bit of the Nutella right on the top. Be very generous. Add your Nutella right on the top, or just leave it as is. Of course, I want to show you how soft, how tender, and how the Nutella looks from the inside. I can't wait to enjoy. I am sure you guys are going to love these tamales, these sweet tamales. I'll see you in a bit. I'm ready for the presentation, and I can't wait to enjoy.
I am completely done with this sweet tamal. Nutella sweet tamal. I know you guys are going to love it. But this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. My mouth is already watering. And of course, be generous with your Nutella. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. This is just amazing. It's not overpowering. It's just delicious. You need to make this sweet tamal. Look at this. The filling. Well, I was very generous with my Nutella. Just amazing. This came out delicious. Perfect for this cold weather. Perfect for the holidays. When you want to surprise your family with a sweet tamal, why not a sweet tamal of Nutella? Thank you so much for being here. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Take care. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.